1975 Pontiac Ville Brougham Convertible. She has a set of 22-inch spokes and vows, and she can be purchased with or without the wheels. She has the 455 cubic inch 7.5 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid, lower doors are solid. Interior's in good condition. Paint is in driver quality condition. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. Deck lid. Trunk nice and clean. And she does have the stock stereo back here. She has power windows, power locks. Seats nice and clean. Back seat. Convertible top functions as it should. Let's check out that dash. Mileage for it's a little over 46,000. Upper dash. Lower. Lower. She has the 455 cubic inch 7.5 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic, power brakes, power steering. One thing to note about the Pontiac engines, there's no small or big block. They're the same size externally, they just different internally. Let's start her up. Make sure y'all go visit rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. Thank y'all for watching and y'all have a good one.